Before we design how a website looks, we need to understand how it's built, and that's where sitemaps come in. A sitemap is a visual or written representation of a website's structure. It shows what page exists, how those pages are organized, how they relate to one another, and how users move through the site. Sitemaps are created before design and development. They help us plan content, navigation, and hierarchy, so we're not guessing later in the process. They show what pages exist, how those pages are organized, how pages relate to one another, and how users move through the site. Put simply, a sitemap is the blueprint of a website. Sitemaps play an important role for everyone involved in building websites. They help designers plan structure before layout. They help developers understand page relationships. They help stakeholders agree on scope and organization. And ultimately, they help users find information more easily. A website can look polished on the surface, but without a clear sitemap, navigation often feels confusing or bloated. Good structure comes before good visuals. There are several types of sitemaps, and it's important to know the difference. Visual or structural sitemaps are the most common type used in web design. They usually look like boxes representing pages, and they're connected by lines that show hierarchy and relationships. Visual sitemaps are used to plan navigation, define hierarchy, and communicate structure to others. A home page may lead to about, services, and contact, with individual service pages nested underneath services. Text-based or outline sitemaps are a written list of pages organized by level. They are often used during early planning, for simple sites, or when you need to iterate quickly. Even without visuals, they still clearly define structure and relationship. An HTML sitemap is a page on a live website that lists and links to all pages. These are used for user accessibility and alternative navigation, especially on large or complex websites. It's important to note that this type of sitemap is less about planning and more about helping users once the site already exists. And finally, we have XML sitemaps. These are technical files that are submitted to search engines. They help search engines crawl and index a site properly and are important for SEO. However, this is not the type of sitemap used for design planning. A strong sitemap follows a few core principles. First, clear hierarchy. Pages should be grouped logically, with important pages closer to the top. Avoid deep nesting. Users generally shouldn't have to click more than 3 or 4 levels deep to find content. Second is logical grouping. Related content should live together, and categories should make sense to users, not just the creators. For example, admissions is clearer than something vague like important info. Third are user-focused labels. Page names should be clear and descriptive. Avoid clever or vague labels like stuff or more. Instead, use labels like services, pricing, or contact. Fourth is simplicity. Fewer purposeful pages are better than many unnecessary ones. Combine content whenever possible and always ask whether a page truly needs to exist. Fifth is alignment with purpose and audience. A sitemap should support the site's goals and user needs. A portfolio website and an e-commerce site will have very different structures. Finally, consistency with navigation. If a page appears in the sitemap, its place in the main navigation, footer, or submenus should be clear. Some common sitemap mistakes include having too many top-level pages, creating deep or confusing hierarchies, using vague page names, or designing navigation before mapping content. Another frequent mistake is treating the sitemap as a visual design tool. Remember, it's a structural planning tool, not a layout or branding exercise. Sitemaps help you plan your website before designing it. They allow you to organize content logically and create navigation that makes sense. By starting with a strong sitemap, you reduce the need for redesign later, create better wireframes, and build a more usable website overall. A clear structure leads to clearer design and better user experiences.